Hey friends, what's up? How's it going? How are you doing this week? So I'm so excited because we have 3 things we're going to open today. We're going to open 2 of the Series 5 Squishville Squishmallows. We are going to open the Disney Doorables Series 6. We have 2 of these as well. And then something that I found that I think is new, it's the Foodie Mini brand, and it looks like it's like fast food things. Like, I'm just like super excited because there's like, what's that? Like, there's like Carl's Jr. on the side, so I'm assuming it's like fast food places, which is super exciting. As you know, I love all things mini. And I'm super excited to finally like do another one of these videos. I got all of these at Meijer, which is a store in Michigan. Kind of like Walmart. So let's get started. We are going to start with the Squishmallows because these are the first ones that I found. And so it's Series 5. There's removable fashions, includes 1 Squishmallow plus 1 fashion accessory, and there's 24 to collect. So let's see, we can focus. I'm assuming these are like the ones we can get. So okay, so there's a perforated edge right here. So let's do this. And then the little thing they come in is like a little kitty cat. That is so cute. And then you just pop it open, and we got a cute little bunny with a skirt. And then there's the back. That is so adorable. I have to say, it's not as squishy soft as my pug Squishmallow that I have. He's eating a cupcake. His name is Prince, and I love him, and I sleep with him every night. So yeah, let's do the next one. Oh. All right, we have, oh, I fell, a bird. I'm assuming, yeah, a bird. And it comes with, I'm gonna say this is a dress. Ooh, I took it off of him to see what it was, and now I'll go back on. Say it's like a dress. Come on, focus. You focused a second ago. You can do it. Right here? Yeah, no, right here. Oh, there we go, like a dress. Alright, so that was the Squishmallows. I'm gonna do Disney Doorables next because the food one is the one that I'm most excited about, the mini brand's food. So it just, like I said, it's Series 6. We can get 2 or 3 figures, and this is what the box looks like. Here's the side and the other side, and then the back. I don't know why it says Kohl's because I did not get it at Kohl's. I got it at Meijer, but we'll see. Just open like this, and then there's the thing where you can see how many you can get, and these aren't blind bags, so you get to see what they are from like the packaging. And we got 2, and we have Sneezy, I believe, which is a new one. Sneezy. And we have Flounder, which I believe I already have. I'm not quite sure. I've opened a couple of these, and I will link those videos. I have a playlist down below. So those are the first 2. Let's see. Oh, okay, let's actually, I want to see something first. So Flounder is rare, and Sneezy is common. All right, next one. The thingy, and And we have, we have Happy. I don't really think I've gotten many dwarves. Happy. If he focuses. Happy, there we go. And we have Cinderella, which I'm not sure if I have her or not. I know I have some of the princesses, but she kind of, I don't know if it's just me, but her eyes kind of look weird. She got wonky eyes. So Happy is common and Cinderella is special edition. Alright guys, it's the moment that we've all been waiting for, or at least I have. We're doing the Foodie mini brands. Oh, I'm so excited. So where is it? Okay, so there is a perforated edge right here. Just do this. That was almost perfect, guys. We still have a little bit right here. Almost perfect. It just comes. If you're unfamiliar with mini brands, it comes off like, usually it comes off better than that, but whatever. And then I have another one, because see, the actual ball is like a light pink and this is like a dark pink. So the perforated edge is right here. Take this off. Like they like have a high security. Like it's like Fort Knox trying to get in these balls. Where'd it go? There it is. Alright. And then you just pop it like this. Oh, this is different. Okay, normally it's like an orange. This isn't an orange. Ooh. These are, oh my gosh, they're just like different like this. Like they're just packaged. And then there's, okay, so here's a guide. Oh god, where did I set these? So here's a guide. This is the first time I'm looking at it too. And this is the back. So let's see what we get. Ooh. Okay, so these ones are just like telling you the different kind of other like things they have. And then here is Hardee's. Like, what is this one? Snacks and sides. Snacks and sides. So these are snacks and sides. And here's bags. And then food court. So like soda and like kiosks and like ketchup and mustard, or like a tray and stuff. And that's just the thing. And then there are ultra rare and so drinks. These ones are drinks. These two. And then that one. And then there are the mains. The mains. There's that. And there's the, oh, okay. And that. Alright, let's see what we got. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5. Alright, so this is exciting. We're just gonna rip it like that. And the first, oh gosh. So it only comes obviously with one thing. The first thing we got is a little paper bag and it just says Foodie mini brands. And we can open her up like so. It's like a little paper bag. Come on, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna do this one next. And we have soup from Subway. We have soup from Subway. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Ooh, this one feels big. Ooh. We have a TGI Fridays hamburger. A little cheeseburger action. So that's 3, so 4. Oh, we have a White Castle burger, or I guess a slider. I've never had White Castle before. Because like in Michigan, they're not, I don't know if we have White Castle in Michigan. If we have White Castle in Michigan, please let me know. I haven't seen any in my surrounding areas. The next one is a bag from Sonic. Bag from Sonic. Little food bag. Oh my god, the sides are so cute. Come on, focus. There we go. Sides are so cute. Alright, so that was ball 1. We have 2 balls. So we get another 5 items. This one is so much harder to do. There we go. And then alright. Let's go. Let's go. We'll start with this one first. Ooh, this one's girthy. She a girthy girl. Oh. Huh. So we have instructions. It is a ketchup dispenser. So I'm going to assume this goes here. And this goes here. This way. I should probably look at the instructions, right? Oh, okay. So, okay, hold on. I have to take that out. We have to take this out because, you know, I went in without actually reading the instructions and now there's something stuck in there. I can't get it. Okay, we're gonna hold on to that and I'm gonna try to get it in a minute. Let's move on with the thing. We have a Carl's Jr. Oh, and it can close. So it's hand bread juicy chicken. And we don't have a Carl's Jr., but we do have a Hardee's from where I am from, and I know that they're owned by the same people. Oh, I'm all fuzzy. All right, this is gonna be a sub. I was gonna say a drink. This is a Subway sub. That is a freaking Doorable. I love that. 2 more. Oh, and this is a drink. This one is a drink. That is adorable. Last one, last but not least, is, oh, can this one close? This one can close too. This is wings from TGI Fridays. And I just realized they can close. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, so favorites. From the Squishmallows, the bunny is my favorite. From the Disney Doorables, Cinderella is my favorite. And from the food thing, I'm gonna say the Subway sub is my favorite. Alright guys, that's it. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Honestly, these are my favorite videos to film. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so I can make more videos like this in the future. I hope you guys are having a great November. I hope everything is well with your family and your friends and your life. I post new videos every Friday at 4 p.m. so I hope to see your beautiful faces next week. Bye guys.